This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for March 13th, 2025. It's currently March 9th, 2025, 6:43 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $575.92, that's USD. And the shuffle video for the March 13th reading was created on February 21st, 2025, 8:11 p.m. Eastern Time. So what we're going to cover in this video is the overall trend direction and chart behavior for the day. We'll give you chart behavior and timing for the day's highest high, the day's lowest low, and the best trade opportunities that we see throughout the day. And then we'll also give you the hour-by-hour sequence of chart events. Please understand, my friends, we're predicting the sequence of chart events here. The timing to the hour is usually on point. But there will be plenty of examples where you have to give it plus or minus 2 hours of wiggle room, up to 2 hours of wiggle room. And that's why you pay attention to the sequence of chart events as outlined by the prediction. This is also why I do not recommend trading this information without access to our Discord trade alerts for our early access subscription, where I actually give you the day trades in real time. This is more of it should be seen as expectations of what we see happening on the 13th. But if things deviate or the timing is a little bit off, it's the Discord trade alerts that keep us all on track. That's why I do not recommend trading without those. I'll show you guys how to get the early access subscription with the Discord trade alerts and TradingView chart links at the end of this video after we give you the best trades that we see. So stay tuned for that. Now, before I get into the chart behavior, I want to make sure you're aware that the whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following through on the rule of karma. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders. 5% of all profits should be donated forward to one of these charities. 5% of all profits should be donated back to the channel. Leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, the universe considers you an angel investor of the channel. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. You definitely don't want to be one of those people asking a million questions every single day, but doesn't donate to the rule of karma. That's the fastest way to get banned, my friends. Just saying. This is an expectation. I'm not asking people to. I'm expecting people to follow through on this. I do this day and night, eat, breathe, sleep this stuff. So blessings to all those that follow through on that. You guys are amazing, amazing, special type of people. All right, let's get into it. So the overall trend in chart behavior, we should see sideways rotation with a notable move to the upside at some point. Out of the high, though, for the day, we have a peak that forms with a notable decline to the downside. Out of the low, a big move to the upside. And then I'm advised to trade around near overbought crest that we sell off from through multiple support levels. So in the post-market, we likely have like a rally that turns over with a notable reversal. And then out of oversold territory right around the open, probably a notable move to the upside, taking us into 3 pokes through the same trend line with a sharp drop off of that third poke, somewhere between the open and 10 o'clock. A lot of volatility and price change between 10 and 11. Bearish price swings and or a sharp drop between roughly 11 and 12 with a peak towards the 12 o'clock hour. So probably bearish price swings there with the peak towards the 12 o'clock hour at a key resistance. This may be resistance that we've seen several times already in the month of March. It's possible, just based on the fact that we can just keep seeing this Princess of Swords and this Ace of Swords. They're freaking everywhere, guys. Ace of Swords, Princess of Swords, Ace of Swords. Right, so it's possible. It's possible. We'll have to see in real time when we get there. But so we've got that resistance that we should then decline from pretty notably. There'll be like a crest, a near overbought crest there at resistance, and we should decline through it through multiple support levels into a trough between roughly 12 and 1. A rally out of that trough into the 1 to 2 o'clock hours, halted by a decline through a key technical price level on a multi-day scale. We'll break through it momentarily there around 2 o'clock. And then we should have a pretty notable rally out of lows there between 2 and 3 o'clock. A pretty notable rallies out of those lows into a peak or high just before 3 o'clock, followed by a drop off of that peak into another, to revisit that price level from 2 o'clock, or that we poked through momentarily around 2 o'clock. We declined from the peak at 3 back to that price level between 3 and the close, and then from that price level, we have a huge move to the upside, probably out of lows there, huge move to the upside, probably back to a high where we flatten out, and maybe that piece card is the same price level as the piece card from here, so I want to mark that off. As far as the trade that I see, again, guys, you don't want to trade this information without the Discord trade alerts or game-changing services. People are making a ton of money. The price is about to go up, so if you ever want to get it at this price, you got to do it before that price goes up. You'll have it locked in at that price throughout the lifetime of your subscription, so don't miss out. What I would look for is this resistance here at a near overbought crest or peak. We decline through multiple supports into a trough there. You could open up a partial long there, close the long probably just before 3 o'clock. After a rally turns over, and then another big move out of lows into a high there, just before 12 o'clock, that's where you would close the long, and it's most likely going to be at that same price level that we fell from there with the Princess of Swords. If not, then we're going to see that price level again here, but more likely we see it here on the 13th. All right, guys, so let me show you how to get that Discord, the Discord trade alerts, live updated trading view charts. So here's like what you get with the Discord for early access. We've got all of the early access posts. They come out here on Discord before they come, and on our website before they come out on YouTube. You got access to the live stream questions. You can ask any questions you want, and I'll cover them on the next available live stream. You get the SPY Discord day trade alerts and swing trade alerts. I mean, this stuff is super, super profitable, guys. People are making money. You can ask any questions you want with the chat channel, and then the SPY videos. You get these well ahead of when they come out on the YouTube. All this stuff as part of the Discord. By the time you watch this video, this link will be changed. But you can find the Discord, the TradingView chart link at the top of every channel that we have. So corresponding, like Apple's got an Apple link, SPY's got a SPY link. Excuse me. And what that gives you is access to these live chart drawings where I'm actually entering in instructions, entry, and exit for both swing trades and day trades. So you go to our website, Tarot for Traders, hover over Order Now, click on Subscriptions, Early Access Subscription, click here to subscribe. Currently $100, won't be for long. If you're lucky enough to get it at this price, you'll have that price for the lifetime of your subscription. But it's definitely going up because we do so much work for this stuff. Much love and appreciation everybody that does that. You guys are real supporters of the channel, keep us able to do this full time, basically. So much love and appreciation. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.